Thank you very much, Jen. Cheers.
Okay, so I'll just put my hand on the back of the seat.
That just gives me a bit of
That's
support.
right, yeah.
Oh my god, this is a bit bumpy, isn't it?
Yeah.
I just said you wouldn't go this on in the front. Even the front was fun. Whoa! Whoever came and wrecked this on the road? Jeez.
Andy does this. Andy does this all the time. He lives here.
From one time you come to the next and it's raining and everything's turned
Yeah.
all a bit.
Okay, mate.
TJ can take it.
Yeah.
There's the area North Malvern, up by the Malvern Link.
That sidestep then, Peter. Yeah. It was interesting. Yeah.
Likes to go up things a little bit faster, doesn't it? Come on. Yeah, otherwise it cuts out like that.
Stuff. Should cut out.
That's why I said to Cheryl, give me a lot of gap. Okay, let's go.
Pay good money for this down our way, John.
Yeah, I know. Drunk in charge of a
I've had it my way. Every ramble I come up with will be like this.
Yes.
It's amazing, aren't they, how they can get up, John?
Yeah.
Do you want me to fall down again?
I didn't catch it last time.
How many have we got today?
18.
How many yesterday?
19.
As you know, most of my job is working with government and people.
The local government or national government.
The problem we've had with
Watch the rock there. There's a rock on the side.
What's it there? What's he doing?
Okay. That's 3 million, isn't it? I'll tell you. When you stop something, it often stops it. Yeah. There we go.
There you go.
You might want to point out that rock. No, you're going to hit it. You're hitting the rock. I did try and say.